popping.
5 reasons why you need the Star Pro Squeeze. 1. The cleanser and boiling water work together to kill harmful bacteria. 2. Your clean sponge will last longer, so you don't have to throw it away and keep buying new ones. 3. It squeezes out the dirty water 5 times harder than our hands can. 4. It saves time, electricity and water compared to most other methods. And 5. It leaves your sponge ready to use in under 60 seconds.
How to actually wash your beauty sponges. These are about a year old, but when we're done, they'll look just like new. You're going to use any dish soap to wash your beauty sponges because it breaks down oils, which is great to remove all that dried up foundation. After you rinse it for a minute, wrap it in a paper towel and squeeze the sponge. The paper towel is going to suck up any excess foundation. Good as new.
No. No, 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 no. Exactly.
If you hate cleaning your makeup sponges like me, then you need this device in your life. So it's the Style Pro Squeeze, and this is my favourite product to clean all my sponges because it's so hygienic and so easy to use. All you need to do is apply the solution and press down, add some boiling water and squeeze, and you can literally see all the gunk coming out of my sponge. My sponges have never looked cleaner using this. Honestly, I'm obsessed. You have to try it. Look at my sponge now. Wow.
Washing my sponges, and I'm curious if anyone has this. How the heck do you guys wash it? I try putting it like in my cleanser, but that never seems to get it clean. And then I started to clean it with soap on my brush mat, and this seemed to get most of it out, but I'm still not really sure if this is like actually cleaning the sponge or like the little brush on the inside.